Okay, there are two photos. On one side, this side, and this side. On this side, there is a cake shop. A cake shop which sells cakes and pastries and pies. There are some beautiful pies and cakes and pastries and sweets arranged on the shelves. On the other side, there is the photograph of an old lady whose shop that cake shop is. And that lady, is the cake shop owner. She is the one who owns the cake shop. Okay? Now, this house, I own this house. That means this is my house. This cake shop belongs to this lady. She sells cakes, pastries and pies. Okay? Now find the pictures quickly. Easy.
It is a picture.
See, from what I said, this is the picture and
it is an old lady.
what is she? Who is she?
She sells this shop.
She sells this shop? No, she doesn't sell the whole shop. She sells.
She sells cakes.
She sells cakes. She sells sweets. All these. Okay. So anyway, now you tell me. Where is the cake shop?
Here is the cake shop.
Okay. Where are the cakes kept? Put.
Cakes are kept on the shelf.
Very nice. Where are the shelves? Where are the shelves? These are the shelves.
Here is the shelf.
Here are the shelves. S-H-E-V-L-E-S. Shelves. S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Shelves. Okay. And these are all tarts. You bake the tart. That day your mother brought a cake, na? And Suvarna's mother brought a cake. They bake the cake.
They bake the cake.
They bake the cake, not cook the cake. No, they don't cook the cake. They bake the cake, means they put it in the oven. How do you bake a cake?
You put it in the oven.
That's right, you put it in the oven. That's right, that's how you bake a cake. And, okay, how many cakes are here? These are all really pies and tarts. These are all this. They're all sweets. They're all sweets. They are pies and tarts. There's no cake here. Pies, yes, strawberry pie, raspberry pie, apple pie. How many pies are there in the shop?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
In the shop?
There are 15 pies in the shop.
Yes. Why did you count them? You have to answer.
There are 5,
Fifth what?
50.
50? 50? 5, 0, 50?
No.
Then 15.
15.
15. So you also counted, you must say.
There are
I asked you, you also counted. But counting for what? To be able to answer the question. Or not just
50
pie
pies
in the shop.
in the shop.
Yeah. Who is the old lady? Who is the old lady?
It is the old lady.
But who is she? She is
She is lady.
lady, but who is this old lady, Ruchi?
This lady is the owner of the cake shop.
Owner, she owns the shop.
Owner cake shop.
Of
She
the cake.
owner of the cake shop.
Yes. Who is this lady?
This lady is the old.
Owner. Not, I'm not saying, I'm saying, who is this old lady? She's an old lady. But I'm asking, who is this old lady? And I'll ask, Ruchi, who is this old lady.
This old lady is the owner of the shop.
This old lady is owner of the shop.
Yes.
This old lady.
This old lady.
This old lady is
uh,
owner.
owner
Owner
of the shop.
of the shop.
Who is this old lady?
This old lady is
Uh,
owner.
owner. No. Listen to me. He said it nicely. Who is this old lady?
This old lady owner.
Who is this old lady? You listen to mommy properly, not just me. Who is this old lady?
This old lady is the owner of the cake shop.
This old lady is the owner of the shop.
Okay, now here again that they had talked about breaking up the sentence into sense group. This old lady goes together. Is by itself. The owner by itself of the cake shop. Okay, this old lady is, so you emphasize the is, there's no chance of there missing it out. This old lady is, the is likely to be forgotten. This old lady is the owner, also that is distinctly pronounced, of the cake shop. Okay, you ask me, who is this old lady? Who is this old lady? You ask me. No, you ask me the question.
Who is this?
Who is, I can't hear is this at all. Who is this? I don't hear is at all. That word cannot be missed out. It is a very important word. Okay.
Who is this old lady of the
Just ask me the question. What is the question I asked you? Who is this old lady? You ask me the question.
Who is this old lady?
Who is old lady? Who is this old lady? You forgot.
Who is
One by one.
who is
Uh,
this old lady?
Demonstrative. Definite. Okay. Demonstrative pronoun it is. This. Who is this particular one? Not that, not that, not that. So it must be said. Ask me the question.
Who is this old lady?
Old lady. Finished. That's the question there. Come on, ask me again.
Who is this old lady?
You ask me.
Who is this old lady?
Old lady.
Old
The
lady.
first thing again.
Who is this
Uh,
old lady? Who is this old lady? Who is this old lady?
Now listen to my answer. This old lady is the owner of the cake shop. This old lady is the owner of the cake shop.
This old lady is the owner of the cake shop.
Very nice, very nice.
Who is
Now you give the answer.